This is everything you need to know on how to clean and remove mold from your bathroom silicone. Hi, I'm Molly. Mold in your silicone can be a common issue within bathrooms. It can be unhealthy, but with the right steps, you can remove and control it. So let's get into it. When removing mold, it is very important to have a well-ventilated area, wearing a mask, and having your cleaning gloves on. Clean the surface with a microfiber cloth to ensure that there's no dirt, debris, or hair left behind. Now cut the silicone using a scraper to try and remove as much of it as possible. Pour some mineral turpentine onto a cloth to remove any flaky silicone and dust and leave to dry. Using a scraper and a silicone remover, apply to the affected areas. From here, wipe the surface down with methylated spirits. Depending on the severity of the mold in your bathroom, you can use a variety of different cleaning solutions. For a mild case, cleaning vinegar and bicarb soda would be effective. Use a ratio of 1 to 2, meaning if you're using half a cup of bicarb soda, you use 1 cup of vinegar. For tougher mold, a bleach mixture or a commercial mildew remover would be effective. The ratio for this is 1 part bleach, 4 parts of water. Follow the instructions on your mold remover or bleach product. In this case, we're going to spray the area with this mold remover. Allow the product to sit for the recommended time to effectively break down the mold. From here, wipe the surface down with some mineral turpentine and leave to dry. Now it's time to apply the new silicone. Mask the sides with painter's tape to avoid any silicone from spilling out. You'll need to cut the cap and the tip on a 45-degree angle. Attach the silicone to the caulking gun and apply a steady pressure to the area, ensuring the sealant is pressed well into the joint. Before the silicone dries, spray some soapy water and use a smoother and run it across the silicone for a seamless finish. Peel the painter's tape and wipe any spills of the silicone with turpentine. To reduce mold, ensure that your area is well ventilated and cleaned regularly, especially in the moisture-prone zones. Use a dehumidifier if required and ensure any cracks or gaps are sealed where moisture could collect. And there you have it, the steps to clean and remove mold from your bathroom silicone. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.